Hi, Pumpkin. What you got? Millie, what you got? I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna come and get it. You gonna let me have it? No? I'm gonna come and get it. What you doing? Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. Oh, are you having fun with that? That's a little girly bear. Oh wait, I think it's a monkey. Good girl. Good girl, Chloe. Oops, you're not Chloe, you're Millie. Too many girls in the house. Oh yeah. You're liking that bear, aren't you? Oh, monkey. Millie, do you want to see if Chloe wants to play with you? We need to cut your bangs or put them up in a pony. Oh my goodness. Millie. Hi, pretty girl.